channel. It's been a very long time and I have finally found an opportunity to create a video for you guys. But before I tell you what it is, guys, please subscribe to my channel and like my previous videos, and also leave me any suggestions for any kind of videos you guys would like me to do. And without further ado, let me tell you what it is. So as most Asians would know that Navratri is soon approaching, so I thought why not create a Navratri look for you guys. So guys, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So guys, my skin is prepped already, but I'll just prep it again. No harm in doing that. So I'm going to be using Pond's Hydra Nourishing Moisturizer. I'm just going to take a little and apply it on my face. This just helps me apply my makeup foundation really easily because it keeps my skin so moisturized and nice and smooth. And now I'm just gonna use a primer to prime my skin for a nice and flawless base. So the primer I'm gonna be using is this one. Oops, nearly running out of this. I've already done my eyebrows using the Morphe eyebrow palette, this one. So I used these two shades, and now I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade medium. I'm also going to conceal my eyes with the same eye concealer. This concealer is nice and very creamy. So now I've done my eyebrows. I'm just going to quickly correct my under eyes using this PRO concealer in the shade orange. I'm just going to quickly apply some under my eyes. Just going to use the same brush and just quickly blend it out. If you guys are wondering what I'm wearing this beautiful, colourful sort of threadwork lehenga. I'll show you guys the full outfit at the end of the video. Just going to apply my foundation now. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC42. So I'm just going to apply a little bit all over my face. I'm going to apply little by little and build up the layer. I'm going to be using my Morphe Y6 brush. And blend it out nicely. I'll do my concealer after. Oops, just dropped some of my clothes. I'm just going to apply a little bit more on my eyes and do my eyes first. Because this concealer is very creamy, I'm going to have to set it up with any kind of setting powder. So I'm just gonna use the Rimmel Natural Bronzer Powder in the shade Transparent, and I'll just set it. So I'll be using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to begin by using this shade here as the base. A very simple and traditional look. Next, I'm going to be using this shade here. And I'm going to apply this as the darker shade in the outer corners. Just going to intensify it a little bit more. Next, I'm just going to use this fluffy brush. And I'm going to blend this out even more. I'm going to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to be taking this shimmery sort of pinkish eyeshadow. And I'm going to apply it in the inner corners. I'm just going to blend it in with the turquoise color I used. Intensify it a bit more. I'm going to use this shade here. And I'm going to like apply it, just like dab it in the middle here. I'm going to blend that in with the shimmery pinkish color I used. Just going to blend it all in together now, so there are no harsh lines. Now I'm just going to use this dark brownish sort of color and apply it on the edges of the crease to intensify it a bit more. I'm going to apply this color here on my brow bone. Now I'm again going to use the Tarte Shape concealer in the shade medium to do my concealer. And because it's so thick, I'm going to quickly blend it all out. I'm going to set my Primark concealer using this Pro LA Girl setting powder. While that's sitting on my face, I'm going to do my eyeliner. My eyes now. I'm going to quickly brush over with the powder. And I'm going to contour my face. I'm using this NYX Wonder Stick Contour and Highlight Kit stick. And I'm just going to apply some here. I'm just going to blend it out now. I'm just going to blend this out with my fingers. I just prefer it like that. I'm going to curl my lashes. Apply the Rimmel Scandalous Reloaded mascara. Next thing I'm going to be doing is my lips. So I'm going to be using this Lips Essence lip liner. I don't know what shade it is. Oh, Honeyberry. Just going to fill my entire lips in with, and I think these lips will go really well with my outfit. As you can see, it's really pigmented. Using this slick blush palette. Using this primer highlighter, Primark highlighter, and it is super good. I've been using this for a very long time, and I think it's just really good. It's super pigmented. Look at that. Can you see that? Just gonna apply some of this on my nose, some on my hair. I like some on my forehead for some reason. I don't know. Okay, well, not that much. Finish off my eyes. I'm just going to use any kind of brush. I'm just going to take the same turquoise color, maybe a little bit of this shimmery one, and I'm just going to dab some under my eye. I'm going to be wearing these really cute threaded kind of earrings to go with these. Of course, some bindies. So I'm gonna set my makeup using this Flawless Mist and Fix makeup setting powder spray with by Barry M. So guys, this is the final look, and I wasn't able to show you the ending because I ran out of battery on my camera, but this is the end look, and I'll show you how my outfit looks, but this is the final look. Don't forget to like the video and leave any comments in the section down below if you enjoyed this video.